We left our village and came across the river to harvest the honey. My brother was passing by when he saw the bees flying to the tree, and he let us know.
For the Baka people, who were once referred to as pygmies, the forest has always given them everything they needed to live. One of their staple foods is honey from wild bees. A nest like this is enough to satisfy the whole group for a day. But these trips into the forest are actually not allowed. The protected area in and around the reserve has been strictly controlled, and that has pushed the families further and further out of the territory.
Now we have to grow food here, and we don't know why. We don't have any form of health services either. We take care of things in our traditional ways.
Like these women, who know exactly where to find roots and plants that can be used in medicinal practices. In 1987, this region was granted UNESCO World Heritage status. In total, it's nearly the size of all of Gambia in West Africa. The biosphere boasts a huge diversity of species and is home to endangered animals such as the giant pangolin and leopards. But the pressure on the protected area has increased. 10 years ago, the Cameroon government set aside part of the forests around the reserve for industrial use. Jungle where the Baka once settled was cleared to make way for thousands of new rubber trees